Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2019 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Okay, everything here looks fine. I'm not seeing any paint chips or any dents. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. The hood is in excellent condition. So the front looks good. Let's have a look at the driver, fender, and wheel. This fender looks excellent, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the driver door. This door is in perfect condition. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect as well, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. All right, the back bumper is perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks very good. I'm not seeing any dents here at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger door. This door looks perfect. Everything looks fine. Now we're going to take a look at the last fender and wheel, and this fender is in excellent condition as well. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. We're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. That looks very good. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup camera. Let's take a look at the center console and make sure that we do not have any wear and tear. Perfect. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Excellent. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.